Welcome to today's video. We will be making some dangly earrings. I'm not good at this in the least bit. I struggle with this throughout the entire process, but somehow I still find it to be a fun medium to work with. I took very frequent breaks to just step away or to think about my next move. Beads are tiny and wire and thread are flimsy. Yesterday I tried a needle and thread, and the thread kept snapping, so today I tried wire, and it was not wanting to cooperate with me. It wasn't too bad, besides a bead busting in half and stabbing into my skin. I have no idea what these are made out of, but they are fragile and sharp. I know a lot of bead videos you see online. The person will just dip the needle through the container of beads to collect a bunch at a time. But that never works for me for some reason, so I just pinch the beads in my fingers and thread them by hand. I don't mind the extra step. So in this video I made 5 strands of beads with some different lengths. 2 short white ones, 2 medium black ones, and 1 long white one. I put the longest strand on the earring in the middle and the shortest ones on the outsides. And to connect the strands to the earring, I made an extra loop out of some wire so they had some room to sit next to each other instead of being all bunched up together in the tiny loop. I don't have the best setup, like the camera setup, so I don't have the best camera angle for this project for you guys to see what I'm doing, but it's not a hard project to figure out. Just twist the wire and not the thread. I'm sorry this video isn't the best. I don't have much to say either. It's pretty straightforward. Good luck. The beads I added to the ends of the strands were used as knots. I looped the stubborn wire through the bead twice so that it wouldn't fall off easily. I don't expect these earrings to be abused, so they don't need to be super heavy duty or anything. I bet a couple of big feathers would look really nice behind these beads too. I should have added some. If you're attempting some earrings, good luck. I hope you have better luck than me. I like making jewelry, but it's not an easy task for me. I hope you have a great day and happy crafting.